Internet Part 3. In above chapter we learn about different types of internet connection like broadband connection, satellite connection. So today we are going to learn about what is domain name system, what is www or what is web browser. As we see in many websites, suppose example of any websites like www.facebook.com. As you see, first www.facebook.com. So at last we see .com. So that is a domain name system. So first of all, what is a domain name system? A domain name system is an identification string that defines a territory of administrative autonomy, authority or control on the internet. It means which type website is based. Domain names are based on either types of organization or geographical area. Mainly domain name system are based on two types. First is on any organization and second is a geographical area. The popular are listed below. As you see, the following table shows the generic top levels domain names. First of all, .com. We see the website like www.facebook.com. So what is .com means? It means commercial business. So it indicates the website is commercial business type websites. Next, edu.education or .edu, which means a website is based on a education like www.gaseb.org, so .edu. So this website is based on education. Next, government, gov, like www.gsrtc.gov. So it's based on a government organization. .int, international organization. When organization is on an international base, then .int is used for that. Next, info, for information. .mil, which indicate the military organization. .net, which indicate the large networks. Next, .cwp, which indicate a cooperative organization. Next, .org, which indicate non-commercial organization. AERO, which indicate air transport organization. So this is the basic types of domain name system. Next, the following table shows the country top level domain names. As we see in India's website, there is a www.something.in, like www.gujarat.in. So what is in? IN indicate the India. The website is based on India, or it is a India's website, same as other countries like .au, which indicate the Australia, .in, which indicate the India, .cl, Chile, FR, which indicate the France, .us, United States, ZA, which indicates South Africa, UK, United Kingdom, same as other countries. So we learn about what is IN, which is a domain name system which is based on India's domain name system. Next, in our above example www.facebook.com, we learned about what is .com, but what is www? World Wide Web. www stands for World Wide Web. World Wide Web, which is also known as a web, is a collection of websites or web pages stored in a web servers and connected to a local computers through the internet. In a previous chapter we learned about HTML. So using a HTML we are making a web pages and they connected by a different links. So these web pages are displayed on our computer or PC with using of www. These websites contain text pages, digital images, audios, videos, etc. Users can access the content of these sites from any part of the world over the internet using their devices such as computers, laptops, cell phones, etc. So www is a collection of these websites. The building blocks of the web are web pages. which are formatted in HTML and connected by links called hypertext or hyperlinks and accessed by HTTP. Now, what is the full form of HTML? HTML indicate hypertext markup language. And what is the full form of HTTP? HTTP indicate the hypertext transfer protocol. Now, hypertext offers the advantages to select a word or a phrase from text and thus to access other pages that provide additional information related to the word or a phrase. A web page is given an online address called a Uniform Resource Locator URL. A particular collection of web pages that belongs to a specific URL is called a website, like www.facebook.com. So www.facebook.com, it is a URL of something web pages. Second, www.google.com, etc. So the World Wide Web is like a huge electronic book whose pages are stored on a multiple servers across the world. Small websites store all their web pages on a single server. Like any small website store its web pages on single server or a small server, but big websites or organization place their web pages on a different server in a different countries, so that when users of countries search their sites, they could get the information quickly from the nearest server. So the web page provides a communication platform for users to retrieve and exchange information over the internet. Unlike a book, when we move from one page to another in a sequence, one World Wide Web, we follow a web or hypertext links to visit a web page and from that web page to move to the other web page. You need a browser which is installed on your computer to access the web. First of all, with using the internet, we open any browser in our laptop or a computer. First of all, we open any browser, then type a website name, which is a URL, like we type a www.facebook.com, right? So browser is our client that give a response, they give a information to the server. See how the World Wide Web works. First of all, now we have understood that www is a collection of websites connected to the internet. What is www? Collection of websites. What is website? So website is collection of different web pages. That web pages is making in a HTML and it transferred using a HTTP protocol. So www is collection of websites connected to the internet so that people can search and share information. Now let us understand how it works. One is a web server and another is a web browser. Like in your laptop's web browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, anything. And one is a web server. What web browser do? Web browser requests the web server. Like you enter a URL www.facebook.com. What web server do? Web server serves the web pages. When you type a www.facebook.com, immediately with using of internet, Facebook page is displayed on your laptop screen. Why? Because web server serves that pages or respond to our request. So one is web browser and second is a web server. What web works? Now the web works as per the internet basic client server format as shown in the following image. Here web browser is a client because it requested to the server, or web server is a server, it gives response to our request. The server store and transfer web pages or information to the user's computer on the network when requested by the user. A web server is a software program which serves the web pages requested by a web user using a browser. When you request something on your browser, then we will receive a response from a server. The computer of a user who requests documents from a server is known as a client. Here, browser which is installed on the user's computers allows user to view the retrieved documents. All the websites are stored in the web server. Suppose when you open a Google Chrome, which is a browser on your laptop, right? So when you open a Google Chrome and type any image's name, suppose I want images of Taj Mahal, then I simply type a Taj Mahal images download on a search bar of Google. Now various images are available on our screen. It displayed by a server and we download it from server. So we are client and a server. All the websites are stored in a web servers. The moment you open the browser and type a URL, otherwise you type a URL like www.facebook.com, uniform resource locator, then Facebook pages appears on our screen because response by a server in the address bar or a search something on a Google, the www starts working on it. There are three main technologies involved in transferring information: web pages from server to clients, computers of user. These technologies include hypertext markup language, which we learn in above chapters. Next, hypertext transfer protocol, which indicate the HTTP or a web browser. See here, there is a three client: desktop, PC or a laptops. Different types of client like a local computers. Suppose in your PC you type for any request, like you type www.facebook.com in your browser, it a HTTP request from your PC and it give to the internet. Now what internet do? Internet transfer the data to a web server. Now web server receives that information, working on that information or request, then store the data and give a response to from internet to the PC with HTML response. Now you search for www.facebook.com, then Facebook pages appear like so. What is Facebook home page? It is a one type of web page, first web page of Facebook. So it gives a response from HTML, same as the other client. Now what is the difference between World Wide Web and internet? Mostly we know that there is a www or internet is a same, but no, there is a difference between World Wide Web and internet. Some people use the terms internet and World Wide Web interchangeably. They think they are the same thing, but it is not so. Internet is entirely different from www. It is worldwide network of devices like computers, laptops, tablets, etc. It enables users to send emails to the other user and chat with them online. Like you send an email to other friends and we also receive that email. So www is working on it, but not internet. See, for example, when you send an email or chatting with someone online, you are using internet, right? But when you have opened a website like google.com for information, you are using the World Wide Web, a network of servers over the internet. See, what is the exactly difference? Like you open a search engine or you search something about like any images, then you only send the request, right? Not respond from in a typed font. Like with using of internet, you type a message for your friend and we will receive a message from. So it is using by internet. As you see, internet is connecting computers, like we communicate with different applications like WhatsApp, Facebook. Or what is www? It's connecting people, not connecting computers. So internet is connecting computers and www is connecting people. You request a web page from your computer using a browser and server renders that pages to your browser. Your computer is called a client who runs a program, web browser and asks the other computers for the information it needs. Now what is a web browser? A web browser, which is commonly known as a browser, is a program that displays text, data, pictures, videos, animations and more. It provides a software interface that allows you to click a hyperlink resources on the World Wide Web. In our laptop, there is a different types of web browser is available, like Google Chrome. So it is the one type of web browser, like Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, or also in our mobile phone, Google Chrome is available, UC browser. So there are different types of browser we are using. When you double click on the browser icon installed on your computer to launch it, you get connected to the World Wide Web and can search Google or type a URL into the address bar. In the beginning, browsers were used only for browsing user limited potential. Today, they are more advanced. Along with browsing, you can use them for emailing, transferring multimedia files, using the social media sites, and participating in online discussion groups and more. Web content may include text, numbers, characters, symbols, audio, video, and animation. Some of the commonly used browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, and more. There are the different types of browser we can use. First browser is a Firefox. Firefox is a web browser that is smaller, faster in some ways, more secure than the Mozilla browser, from which much of its code was originally derived. Compared to Internet Explorer, the most popular web browser, Firefox gives the users a cleaner interface and faster download speeds. Mozilla Firefox, or simply Firefox, is a free and open source web browser developed by the Mozilla Foundation. What is open source? So that type of source, when we download it, no cost is for that download. So there is a free of charge. Next, search engine. Okay, there is a difference between browser or a search engine. Search engine is a different from browser. The web provides mechanism to store and link different web pages connected with hyperlink. The actually power of web comes from ability to search the content automatically by following the links. It is really difficult to search a particular information from the ocean of the web. Like Google Chrome is a web browser, or only Google is a search engine. Just like you have content list in your book to search for a topic from the book, the web also prepare indexes list which allow searching book on a keywords provided. Like in a book, first page for index. So that is the brief description what we searching for. The same as a computer. The computer program that does this job is called a search engine. Google, Yahoo, Ask, Kairos, AltaVista are some popular search engines. So, see, Chrome, Safari, UC browser, Firefox, Internet Explorer are the web browser, where Google, Yahoo, Ask, Kairos or AltaVista are the some popular. Now, next is a Google. The name Google originated from the word Google. The word is used for the mathematician's term for the number on followed by 100 zeros. See, in a Google there is a 100 zeros on it. To significantly represent the large pool of information on the internet web platform, this word was decided to be used gradually. The word is involved as a Google. Google can also be used to search in a Hindi and other language such as a Gujarati, Hindi, etc. As you see in the figure, there is the Google sign, Google image, which is known as a doodle. In some different time there is a change in images. Like suppose in Independent Day, there is a image is changed, doodle is changed. Here this is the search engine, Google search. Now there are different types of language available here. If you want to search in a Hindi, then click on Hindi and it appears on a Hindi language, same as a Gujarati or other languages. Now, as you see in the figure, suppose you type in English or there is a Marathi language available here. See, there is a doodle. Google can also translate from one language to another language using a http translate.google.com, which is the URL. Suppose you type Mera Desh. Now transfer from one language to another, Hindi to English. It convert in a English language from Hindi to English. Translate Mera Desh Bharat in Hindi with example, because you here search translate Mera Desh in a Hindi. Advanced search engine. Google also provide advanced search facility to provide a specific query and narrow or filter the search engine. In a Google pages, you find that advanced search here. Take the plum here, advanced search, click on that. Now it will appear that type of screen. Suppose we search 7 wonders of the world, then here all images, news, books, maps or more. If you want to only images, then click on images, and this different types of images is available on your web page. If you want to add some, if you want to search for news of 7 wonders of the world, then click on a news. Now when you click on advanced searches, 7 wonders of the world advanced search, searches related to 7 wonders of the world advanced search, the search related for that word appears on your screen as you see in the figure. So this is the basic idea about what is Google, what is web browser, or what is a search engine, how it works,